I'm here in Nashville this week, and I just wrapped up the Arte Live event with Ed Milet and Andy Frisella. If you're not a member or you don't know anything about Arte, I suggest you go check it out. Behind me here with all the construction cranes is a brand new development called Nashville Yards. I've never seen so many cranes on one site. It's a $1.5 billion development of multiple buildings and multiple uses. Let's go take a look. Welcome to Nashville Yards, located in downtown Nashville along the historic rail yards and just blocks away from the world-famous Lower Broadway entertainment area. This 18-acre development will change the skyline of Nashville forever. Welcome to the Building Better Development Spotlight. Nashville Yards is being developed by Southwest Value Partners in cooperation with AEG Entertainment. This team will bring together this mixed-use destination spanning 18 acres and costing over $1.5 billion. Nashville Yards is so huge, so let's break it down and see what's being built. Over 3 million square feet of office space, over 2,000 residential units, over 365,000 square feet of entertainment space, over 1,000 hotel rooms, a 4,000 person music venue, 75,000 square feet of convention space, and over 7,000 parking spaces. There are some really innovative design ideas bringing together the live, work, play concept quite well, such as 7 acres of open space and courtyards between the buildings. This includes restaurants, movie theaters, a live event space, shopping, and multiple green spaces throughout. The live event space is being managed by well-known AEG, as well as the luxury dine-in cinema, a bar, private event space, and 8 lanes of bowling. The 25-story Grand Hyatt Nashville is already open and has been voted #1 best new hotel in America. The team behind the design of the project is Nashville-based Gresham Smith, a national architectural firm with a strong presence in the Southeast. The construction of such a big project can be quite intense, and multiple general construction firms are on the job, including national powerhouses such as Clark Construction, PCL Construction, and local giant Bell Construction. Nashville Yards is currently in full swing construction, and I'll post updates about it soon. Like, comment, and share below, and let me know in the comments what development project you'd like me to showcase next. My name is Ahmed, and I build better.